Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Almighty Java. In this video, we will see how to integrate Spring AOP with Grails. First, see how to implement simple logging. So we'll add log in all classes and methods. We will add info log. It's very simple. Before the run, need to enable info log from config class. This one line is enough. Now let's start the server. See, logs are coming. Now let's make controller log dynamic, so instead of the method name, you can use $action name. See, now also it is working. Same way, instead of controller name you can use $controller name. So now when the log for controller name user is coming, we don't have so many classes and methods, so it's not time taking. But suppose there are hundreds of classes, then it will take so much time. Now we will see how to integrate Spring AOP with Grails. So first thing, we need to create the bean for AOP class. So there is a file called resources under Spring. Open this file, add required changes. Now let's create a logger aspect class under src Java. Add required changes. In this video I am not explaining each and every line. There is one more video I created for the same topic, so the link is in the description. See, that's it. Let's start the server. Server started. See, it's working fine, but along with actual logs, a meta log also coming. Let's add one if condition to filter the log. See, now only required logs are coming. Let's review whatever code we added. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.